Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Cricut Maker 3 not connecting to Bluetooth, pairing, settings and firmware guide. Fix 1. Turn Bluetooth off and then back on. Open Bluetooth settings on your computer, phone or tablet. Now turn Bluetooth off and wait for 10 seconds. Then turn Bluetooth back to on and try connecting your Cricut Maker 3 again. Fix 2. Remove and repair the device. Open your device's Bluetooth settings and find Cricut Maker 3 in the paired devices list. Select Forget, Remove or Unpair and restart the Bluetooth. Now pair the machine again. Fix 3. Update Cricut Maker 3 firmware. Connect the Cricut using a USB cable if Bluetooth is unavailable. Now open Cricut Design Space and allow any firmware update prompts to install. Then restart the machine after the update completes. Fix 4. Restart the Cricut Maker 3. Turn off the Cricut Maker 3 and unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Now plug it back in and turn it on. Then try pairing again. Fix 5. Keep the Cricut closed. Place the Cricut within 10 feet, 3 meters of your device and remove obstacles such as walls or large metal objects. Then retry the Bluetooth connection. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.